How do universities and colleges manage their numerous assets and maintenance needs? This is a critical question that many higher education institutions face today. It's a complex puzzle, with many moving parts like maintaining physical infrastructure, equipment, and systems. Each of these assets plays a vital role in providing a conducive learning environment and ensuring the smooth running of operations. But here's the catch. Most of these institutions rely on reactive maintenance. That's waiting for something to break down before fixing it. Not only is this approach inefficient, but it also leads to unexpected downtime, disrupts learning, and can be quite costly. Imagine dealing with an unexpected system failure during a crucial exam period, or having to close down a building due to a sudden infrastructure issue. It's a nightmare, isn't it? And let's not forget the cost implications of these unexpected repairs. So is there a more efficient, cost-effective way to manage these assets and maintenance needs? Enter the Computerized Maintenance Management System, or CMMS. A computerized maintenance management system is a game-changer for higher education institutions. Imagine having a tool that combines various technologies such as barcode scanners and Internet of Things sensors to automate maintenance workflows. That's what CMMS does. But it's not just about automation, it's about optimizing the use of resources and making smart, informed decisions. Universities and colleges often grapple with managing their assets efficiently. This is where CMMS steps in, transforming the way they handle maintenance needs. Rather than reacting to issues as they arise, CMMS allows them to be proactive. They can anticipate future repairs, schedule routine checks, and manage their assets efficiently. This shift from reactive to preventive maintenance is a significant advantage. It reduces downtime, saves costs, and improves efficiency. But the power of CMMS doesn't stop there. It also enables condition-based maintenance. This means that instead of scheduling maintenance based on a set timeline, it's done based on the actual condition of the equipment. Sensors provide real-time data, alerting the maintenance team when a machine is showing signs of wear and tear. This way, they can address the issue before it escalates, preventing costly repairs or replacements. And there's more. CMMS doesn't just benefit the maintenance team or the institution's bottom line. It also enhances the overall student experience. How? By ensuring that all facilities are in top-notch condition. Whether it's the computer labs, the library, or the dormitories, everything is well maintained, creating a conducive learning environment. In a competitive landscape, universities and colleges are always looking for ways to stand out. By leveraging CMMS, they not only streamline their operations, but also give themselves a competitive edge. Ultimately, CMMS can improve the overall student experience and give universities a competitive advantage. It's clear that CMMS has the potential to revolutionize the way higher education institutions manage their assets and maintenance. We've explored the multifaceted challenges of asset management in universities and colleges, where the sheer volume and diversity of assets can be overwhelming. We've seen how CMMS serves as a comprehensive solution, offering an integrated platform for managing resources, anticipating future repairs, and optimizing workflows. We've also delved into the transformative shift from reactive to preventive and condition-based maintenance facilitated by CMMS. Instead of waiting for equipment to break down, universities can proactively maintain their assets, significantly reducing downtime and associated costs. Moreover, condition-based maintenance powered by Internet of Things sensors and barcode scanners enables real-time monitoring of assets, leading to timely interventions and longer asset lifespans. But the impact of CMMS goes beyond mere cost savings and efficiency. It enhances the overall student experience, from ensuring well-maintained lecture halls and labs to providing a tangible teaching tool for students. And let's not forget the competitive edge it gives to institutions in an increasingly digital world. With CMMS, universities and colleges can streamline their maintenance processes, reduce costs, and enhance the student experience. Indeed, CMMS is the future of asset management in higher education. However, the revolution of CMMS in higher education isn't just about the institutions and their assets. It's about you as well. Whether you're an administrator, a faculty member, a student, or an interested party, your understanding and support of this transformative technology are crucial. If you're excited about the possibilities CMMS offers and eager to learn more, we have good news for you. Our channel is dedicated to providing informative and engaging content about CMMS and its impact on various sectors, including higher education. By subscribing to our channel and liking our videos, You're not just staying updated on the latest developments in CMMS, you're also helping us spread the word about this game-changing technology. So if you found this video helpful and want to be part of the CMMS revolution, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can make a difference, one asset at a time.